Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a L3 haul and then just a small Walmart wax haul. I just grabbed a couple things from both, so I just thought I would combine them to make it one easy, simple video. So L3 had their restock like a weekend ago, and of course I saw a ton of things that I wanted, but I tried to be really good and just order. Well, I needed bags is what I really needed, and I went into L3 because I couldn't find anyone else that had bags available. Like, I looked at all the other vendors and they were all out of stock. So I was like, okay, well, so I asked on L3 because I'm like, she always has bags. And she said she was restocking with a restock. And I'm like, oh, well, that's convenient. So I was like, well, while I'm there, I mean, I can't not order wax. So I'm going to order a few things that just sounded like, I picked like things that I thought, okay, those would be like my absolute favorite. So the first sample I got is Saved by Zero Muggle. Saved by Zero Muggle. I don't know. I'm not sure. I mean, that's Harry Potter, Muggle, right? But what's Saved by, or am I just reading that wrong? I don't know. Okay, what is that? That smells so familiar. I'm sure if I saw the scent description, I'd be like, yep, that's it. I don't know. I'm not good at, so that was pointless. The next one is Coffee Bean, Vanilla Bean, Noel Pretzel. This one smells really good. I think this might have been a blend she had in the restock, but I was like, you have enough coffees. Don't fall into the trap. You have pretzels as well. That smells really good. I like that. That is a good mix of, like, I really get the pretzel and the coffee bean mix up really nice. Most of the time you see pretzels with like really heavy coffees with a lot of like bakery, but this one doesn't. That one's really nice, actually. And then she sent a sample of her silk soap in Open Waters. This smells amazing. I wonder if she has this as a scent on her website to like order in wax, because oh, I love the smell of this soap. This is, I'm hoping it doesn't have any almond oil. It looks like it doesn't. So, I might try her soaps. That smells really nice. Really like that one, actually. So then I got, I needed some bags because I'm doing a box swap with my friend Candy. So I have 50 6x6. I grabbed 100 5x5. I was out of my bigger bag, so I have a ton of small ones. And then I grabbed 100 4x4s. So hopefully that will do me. So funny thing is, she sent this totally, like, this was wrapped in a completely different padded flat rate envelope. She had it taped up so nicely, and then when I pulled it out, I freaking pulled it out so hard that I bent it. And so yeah, the packing was impeccable on this order, and I was the stupid one that just totally busted it when I pulled it out. So this is Iron Island Sorting Hat. Oh wait, here we go. Sea Salt Cactus, Soothing Lavender, Salty Sea Air, Lush Twilight, Blackberry, and Lunar Eclipse, which is crazy. There's a bunch of stuff going on in here. This one smells so good and fresh. I really like this one. This one is like a soothing, it's like a soothing, and then it's fresh, and then I'm not really picking up like a lot of like Twilight or Blackberry. I'm getting more of like probably what would be the Iron Islands. I don't know, this one's gonna have to get on a warmer, and I mean, it could be really unique, but it smells really, really good right now. I'm really liking it. So I busted her Sweet Matrix Melt. I think this is what this is called, but I like how she combines the scents on those. Those are really fun. So she had quite a few that I was like eyeballing, but I'm like, okay, rein it in. So this is Jo Malone Black Vetiver Cafe Snickers Latte, Let Them Eat Cake. So that is that. This one smells amazing as well. I don't even know what I'm smelling in here, to be honest. All I know is it just smells good to my nose, and it's kind of like that Black Vetiver, which I have smelled like as a single scent shot. And then it's got bakery goodness wrapped up in that, and that is like perfection. I really like that one as well. And then the next one I grabbed is, I thought this one sounded really good. I really love the clothespin scent. So I got clothespins from Kay's Scented Wax, and I loved it. So I thought with strawberry sugar, I was like, heck yes. So Clothespin strawberry sugar. I got 2 bunts in that. So the thing with this one is I smell a lot of clothespins in this one. I'm barely smelling strawberry or sugar right now. I mean, I kind of smell a little bit, but it's mostly clothespins to me. So I don't know. But then I did hear Sasha, and she kind of reminded me today that like she was talking about cutting open your wax, like cutting it through the center and then smelling the center, and it might change how you smell things. I feel like someone else mentioned that, but I can't remember who right now. Okay, so that was my L3 Waxy Wonders order. I always love her stuff. I ordered from her like a long time ago, and then I stopped for no reason in particular. I wasn't having any bad performance with her wax at all. It was just more or less like a, I just like, you know how the algorithms work. You kind of, sometimes you miss things, and then sometimes you just kind of forget about a vendor. You don't mean to, but it just happens. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Okay. So from Walmart, really quick, I have been loving, I don't know why, I've been getting into these like pina colada, more like banana tropical type things. So I thought tropical pina colada sounded right up my alley. I don't think I have this, at least I hope I don't. I grabbed it and I was like, oh, I don't know if I have this or not. This is exactly what it is. It's just pina colada, which is exactly what I wanted. So nothing wrong with that. I might actually try mixing that with like a laundry scent and seeing. This one I've never seen before. I haven't seen it at my big Walmart. This is at my little Walmart that's like close to my house. Brownie pecan pie. I was like, let me smell this real quick and see how fake it smells. And then when I smelled it, I was like, oh, this doesn't smell fake at all. Like it actually smells kind of realistic. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and just pick that up and try it. Like I said, I was just at my tiny Walmart. They have a very tiny Walmart. They have a very tiny wax section. I think there's like 10 clams over there. So there is not much at all. So that is my tiny haul. Not like I need any more, that's for sure. But yeah, so that is that. And what was I going to say? Just look for some more hauls coming up. I know I've kind of gone not berserko. Like, why did I want to say berserko? But I've kind of gone, what do I want to say, off the rails a bit. I kind of need to rein it in. I was talking to Ariana the other day, and we were talking about restocks or something. Just like a brief conversation. It wasn't like a long conversation or anything. Or no, wait a second. She mentioned to me in one of my comments, I had asked her if she had ordered from a certain vendor, and she said that she was trying to she had somebody that she wanted to try, but she was trying to rein it in. And I was thinking the same thing. I was like, okay, this is starting to get ridiculous, but I mean, like when you look at it, there could be worse things that you're spending your money on, just as long as you're saving money and you're doing all the other things you need to be doing, and you're not just like taking all of your free cash and sending it towards wax. You know what I mean? So please do be careful like with that. Like you don't want to don't watch, I mean, because you can watch some YouTubers, this happens to me all the time, where you watch a YouTuber and you're like, oh, I need to try that vendor. And then you get sucked into, oh, well, I need to order their wax, and on and on and on and on. So I'm trying carefully to order from some different newer people that I have not tried yet, and just placing like smaller orders instead of like my heavy hitters that I used to hit. Like I want to say like VCS, like I used to heavy hit VCS all the time. And then I ended up with way more than, I started ending up with like a lot of loaves, a lot of deluxe blossom bags, big quantities of things. And I don't want to do big quantities of things anymore. So I'm going to try to keep it down to, smaller items, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Anyways, okay, I'm rambling. I'm going to let you guys go. If you guys have that issue, comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.